Hello and welcome to this Breeze tutorial on how to set document breaks in BreezeDocs. To set document breaks in BreezeDocs, we simply go to the Set Document Breaks tab in the BreezeDocs interface. We're going to go out and open a volume by selecting the Breeze button in the top left corner and selecting the Open option on the Start menu. And we're going to grab an image volume that we have out here on our computer. As you can see, this image volume is small. It just has a couple of documents in it. It has two single-page documents. This first document highlighted in red, and then this second document, and then another three-page document. Setting document breaks in Breeze is a breeze. Here's all you have to do. You select the first document in the set or wherever you want to start in the set. And you can add a document break by clicking the B button on your keyboard. Now, the thumbnail has to have focus. You have to click on it and make sure that there's a red box around your thumbnail that you want to start with. And that could be in the middle of the volume, or that could be at the beginning of the volume. Then all we have to do to set a document break is use our two keys on our keyboard. You can use the B key to add a document break, or the R key to remove a document break. So as you can see, I've selected this first record, and it is already a document break because it has the asterisks around the doc ID. So if I hit the B button, it's just going to move to the next document because it already has a doc break on it. Now let's say that I wanted to remove this doc break and make it a part of the previous document. All I have to do is hit R to remove on my keyboard, and it removes the document break. So B to add a break, R to remove a break. So now this next page is a document break, so I'm going to hit B. The next page is a part of the previous page's document. So I would click the R key, removing any doc break that's there. Now obviously there isn't a doc break on this document. So by doing an R, we're just redundantly saying remove the break. If I hit an R on this next document, it's going to remove the break there as well. So to review, to add a document break, I click the B button on my keyboard. To remove a document break, I hit the R button on my keyboard. And it will move you to the next document when you do that. Now I want to go back and make this second page not a part of this first document, but actually its own document. So I'm going to hit the B button so you can see how we make a document break. I just click the B and it added the document break. I click the B. Now let's just say hypothetically we wanted this last document to not be a three-page document, but to be three single pages. All I have to do is hit the B to add the doc breaks. Once I've completed setting my doc breaks with the B for break and R for remove, then all I have to do is go up and click the Create Document Breaks from Selections button. It says, you're about to reset all document breaks in this volume. Do you really want to proceed? We say yes. It says, are you sure you want to proceed? Because you're going to reset all documents in this database. Once I click yes, Breeze went out and made the database reflect the new doc breaks. So now what I should have, instead of 5 pages made up of 3 documents, now I'm going to have 5 single page documents because I set a break on every page. So let's go over to our doc breaks tab, to our manage documents tab. Now you'll notice that it says, do you want to leave the doc break tab? That's just a reminder, like, have you saved your doc breaks by hitting create doc breaks from selections or not, to remind you to save those before you leave, because once you leave you're going to lose everything you did. We obviously just clicked the create doc breaks from selections button, which saved those, so we're going to say yes. We want to go back to manage documents, and now you will see that we have 5 single page TIFF files. Now let's go back and turn this into 2 documents, one that begins with our first document and one that begins with the third document. So we're going to go back over. It's going to load that volume automatically. We're going to click on the first thumbnail, and we're going to say, yes, this is a break. But we're going to say on page 2, image 2, we're going to say, no, this isn't a separate document. So we're going to do R to remove that document break. Now remember, if you're just scrolling through your documents and you want to just use B and R, you can still do that. Even though there's not a document break on this page, I can hit the R and it will move on to the next document. Now, this is the first page of the next document that I do want for a doc break. So I'm going to hit B, even though it already has the asterisk beside the number indicating that it is a document break. I want to just hit B anyway, which is redundant. Now I'm on to the next pages, and we can see that we have doc breaks on both of the next 2 pages. So we're going to incorporate those into the previous document, again, by clicking R to remove the doc break. And click the thumbnail, hit R, hit R. Now these 2 pages are a part of this document. We're going to create set doc breaks from selections. We're going to say, yes, we really want to do this. And then we're going to go back to the Manage Documents tab. Yes, we saved our changes. And now we're only going to have 2 documents, a 2-pager and a 3-pager. And that's all there is to setting and changing doc breaks in BreezeDocs.